Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. This is your July second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You've got the astrologer card and the Pepes card for your career. I do see that some of you are very much inclined towards astrology, tarot card readings. You do believe in destiny, stars, horoscopes as well. And I also see that you are yourself very intuitive being, right? As a water sign Cancer, you're very intuitive and your higher wisdom is always guiding you correctly. Irrespective of how hardworking you are, how talented you are, there is one thing that you really lack and which you need to work on in the second week of July. If you're seeing slow progress in your career, you need to work on your decision making skills, because no matter how wise you are, no matter how much your intuition is guiding you, if you're not going to take action on it, if you're going to delay the decision making, if you're going to procrastinate, you're not going to get the kind of success that you want and deserve. So please, this is a time of taking action and not delaying your own success, because I do see that you have everything you need to achieve that success. You're very capable also, but the only thing that is lacking is your delay. You overthink a lot, you daydream a lot instead of just simply taking action, and that is the whole difference between other people and you. Even if the other people are not as good as you are, as wise as you are, the one thing that you are not doing and they are doing is they are regularly taking action. They are being consistent with their goals, showing up every day, which you might not be. So please change that if you want to expedite your own success in your career. Whether you have a job or business, it doesn't matter. This is your approach in the second week of July. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Five of Moons and the Page card. I do see that you have nostalgia. You're like living in the past, reminiscing the old days. It can be your past relationships, it can be your childhood days where life was easy, when you did not have the responsibility, when age was not running against you. It is some sort of nostalgia that you have of the good old days. I do see that if you're already married or in a relationship, and if you think that there is a next step that you want to reach with your partner but it's not happening, it is because of their slow moving energy. They are taking their own sweet time to come up to a decision, just like you are doing. They are right now very focused on their goals. I do see a loyal and studious and hardworking partner in your life, but again, their focus is entirely on their goals and not in their personal life. And hence, probably you're still in that relationship and not getting married. You're still married, not having a baby yet, or not taking some sort of next step in your life. And if you're single, the whole reason you still have not met your soulmate is because your soulmate is busy achieving their goals. And to all those who are in a relationship or marriage and they were worried that what is really happening, why has my partner suddenly changed, or why is there slow moving energy from their side, is there a third party, then let me just relax you then and there. There is no third party. Your partner's focus has probably changed, or your partner's focus is somewhere else, and it is not on any third party or extramarital affair, but more on their goals. And probably they are doing it for the sake of you both and not alone themselves. Maybe you want to build a home together, buy a car together, have a baby together, right? Get married together. You need to have enough savings, a good position, salary, and that is what they are worried about. So hence the delay. I hope I gave you clarity on your relationships and your career, and I hope you will follow this advice and make your life much better. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to book your own personal reading, my personal readings start at 170 rupees only for one question. You can check out the description box for more services. I take rituals, counseling sessions, packages and exclusive love readings and no contact readings as well. To make any booking, you can either email me in the given email ID, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well. Show me some love. That's a new channel that I created just for you guys, so that you can keep yourself updated by looking at the prices on a daily basis that I post. Okay, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.